Hey guys, my name is Alan.
My name is Andrew Lee.
Today we will unbox this Google Home Mini.
Google ホームへようこそ。開始するにはスマートフォンまたはタブレットで Google ホームアプリをダウンロードしてください。
This Google Home Mini is Japanese version, so that using Japanese now. But after setup, that will change to language of your country. This Google Home Mini can help you to control your smart device. Like you can turn on or turn off your lights, or you can control your computer.
“你好，我是你的 Google 助理，很乐意帮助你。如果你想知道我有哪些功能，请在 Google Home 应用程式中继续操作。”
Hey Google, turn off the computer.
Turning off the computer.
Hey Google, turn off the light. Hey Google, change light color to green.
Hey Google, play the music.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Hey, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you.
Hey Google, stop music.